Hello, welcome to another Tomboy Beauty. My name's Amy Harber. This is where you can find me, or you can Google me. This is the June 2019 Target Beauty Box. The theme is Jet, Set, Go! Summer is so close, we can taste it. Whether you're headed down to the shore, hashtag DTS for the weekend, or catching a flight to an exotic European island, I'm not. Finding trustworthy products that make your jet-set beauty routine a breeze is key. So here are the go-tos we keep in our travel bag at all times, and you should too. Yay! Let's get into the product. So hey, Target, June 2019. It's got a little Pride theme because June was Pride Month. Yay! Jet, Set, Go. So, let's see what we have here. Tresemme Between Washes Volumizing Dry Shampoo. Yeah, it says no visible residue. It's infused with mineral clay and citrus, so it'll give your roots a little quick spritz and revitalize day-old hair so it looks fresh and full of life. And then it says, I got a little trick here, a little life hack. Spray onto hair, massage through roots to absorb oil evenly, then brush strands for a refreshed and revived dew. Okay. Then we have Pixi by Petra. I love this brand. I was blessed to be able to go to their store in Venice before I left Los Angeles. They are so nice and awesome. It is the Pixi T-Zone Peel Off Mask. It's a unique green superfood that blends instantly and draws out impurities and lifts away oil to reveal nourish glowing skin. It says, it even gives directions. Apply a thick, even layer to the T-zone, let it sit completely dry, and then rinse it or peel it off. Yay. Okay. C&D Vinyl Luxe. It's a mini duo pack. It's an innovative two-step system. This is supposed to prevent chips on your nails for like a week. It's a nice nude color, which I will be putting in my model bag to take to ClickCon because you never know. I have them nude, which is awesome, but you never know when I might need to touch one up or something. However, this is a glossy, so I'll probably actually take my matte, but excited to try that. It's a nice nude. Then we have Pantene Pro V Intense Rescue Shots Hair Treatment. It's supposed to strengthen damaged hair. My hair's not too damaged because I just got it done. Just found a new hair salon. And we did everything to not damage it. Cut off the dead ends. So, apply generously from root to tip. Fully saturate your strands and use weekly for best results. So, try that probably after ClickCon. Then finally, oh, they really like the dry shampoo. Dry shampoo is essential when traveling. Herbal Essence, BioRenew, Revitalize, Cucumber, and Green Tea Dry Shampoo. So, here, let's have a battle of the dry shampoos. Let's see which one smells better. You know, this is like supposed to be all cucumber and green tea, but this one actually smells better. So, yay. I guess they won the smell contest. So, that is the Target 2019. This is where to find me. Until next time, stay beautiful.